In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly extension to Google Chrome. If you write emails, social posts, or documents in your browser, this quick setup will help you catch typos and polish your tone as you type. First, open Google Chrome and head to the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's official marketplace for extensions, so it's the safest place to get trusted tools. If you don't have the store bookmarked, simply search for Chrome Web Store and open it from the results. Once you're in the store, use the search bar at the top and type Grammarly. You're looking for the Grammarly extension with the recognizable green G logo. It should be published by the official Grammarly developer and have a large number of users and reviews, which helps confirm you're installing the legitimate one. Click the result to open its page, then select Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear explaining what the extension can do. This is standard and helps you understand the permissions it needs to function across websites where you type. Click Add extension to confirm. Chrome will download it and finish the installation automatically. You'll usually see a confirmation message, and you may notice the Grammarly icon appear near the top right of the browser. Next, sign into your Grammarly account. If a new tab opens with a welcome screen, follow the prompts there. If you already have an account, log in with your usual method. If you're new to Grammarly, you can create an account in just a moment by following the on-screen instructions. Keep your login details private and secure, and remember you can use reputable single sign-on options if you prefer. Now you're ready to use Grammarly. Visit any site with a text box, your email platform, a document editor, or a social media composer, and start typing. When Grammarly detects something to improve, you'll see subtle underlines. Click an underline to open a suggestion card, read the explanation, and then choose to accept or dismiss it. This makes it easy to learn as you go, so you're not just fixing mistakes, you're improving your writing over time. If you don't see suggestions right away, give the page a moment to load. Make sure you're signed in, and try typing a few sentences. Grammarly generally stays out of sensitive fields, so you won't see prompts in password boxes or similar areas. That's all you need to add Grammarly to Chrome and start writing with more confidence wherever you work online.